Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel again. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add multiple accounts to your TikTok. So when you are in your TikTok profile, in the Me tab, in the bottom here, you will see at the very top of the screen, in the center you have got the title of your page and there's a little drop down arrow. There if you press, then you will see add account option. Then if you have multiple account on TikTok, then press on add account. Then which account you want to use or log in, then choose 3 of 1 or 4 of 1. Then I have account who is connected with Facebook. Then I chose continue with Facebook. Then it's loading. Then press on continue. Then your multiple account will be added on TikTok apps. Then go to Me tab. Then tap this option and you will see your another account. Or you can change your account anytime. You can use multiple account on TikTok apps if you want. If you enjoying our video, then don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.